Okay, today we're going to demonstrate the X9100 configuration utility by using a simple example of a door opening and closing and enabling and disabling the lock of the door. The door sensor is going to be connected to the first digital input on the X9100, and the locking enable mechanism is going to be set on the first output of the X9100, D-out 0. We're going to use two mobile phone numbers to demonstrate the fact that the X9100 can communicate with multiple mobile phone numbers. We start by clicking on File, New Configuration, Blank Configuration. We close down the incoming SMS commands. We'll deal with those later. The first thing to do is to enter both mobile phone numbers in MN. Add new mobile phone number. Click on the box, and the first phone number has to be in an international format, which is +44 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Enter the second mobile number, MN1, which is +44 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. We save those. Then we need to compose a message that we sent to those two mobile phone numbers. So we go to Digital Messages, Outgoing SMS, GPRS Messages, Add New Message, Enter Message. We type the word door and select the first digital input, D in 1. D0, sorry. Insert. Press OK and close the box. The next thing to do is to configure the message which will be sent when on the condition of the port. This is done by port configuration, digital port configuration, digital input ports. On D in 0 we're going to put the label. When it's high, it'll send the message open. And when it's low, it'll send the message closed. Close the box. We then have to trigger the message, and this is done by outgoing messages, digital port triggers. Add new digital port and time alarm trigger. We select D in 0, the trigger direction, high to low. Send message MS0 to first mobile number MN0. And we're going to send the same message to a different mobile phone number, D in 0, to trigger directions high to low. And we can send MS0, this time to MN1. Save that. So if we go to the simulator, open the simulator, click on D in 0, and then click off again, and we can see that it sent the message closed to both mobile phone numbers. And to repeat the operation so it sends the message open, we go to digital port and time alarm messages, add new digital port time alarm messages. It's going to be D in 0. This time the direction's low to high. We're going to send message MS0 to MN0. Add a new trigger, which will be D in 1, low to high. Message is MS0 to MN1, the second mobile phone. Save the setting. Go to simulator, open the simulator, click on D in 0, and we get the open, click off and we get the closed. We might want to know the status of the door at any time, so we can send an incoming command. We can text it a message saying status, port value would leave blank. We'd need to know the message, MS0, and it's going to reply to any mobile phone that is texting the word status to the phone number on the SIM card, which is inserted in the X9100. So we go to the simulator, open the simulator, type the word status, press receive, and we find that the door is closed. If for some reason the door is open, we text the word status, and it will tell us that the door is open. And that is the basic use of the X9100 GSM telemetry engine.